Hi guys, this is Leo from Sunrise LED. Today I'm in our factory and I'm going to show you our big track LED display in the US. This project is about 220 square meters. Now let's see. p4.8 192 by 192 millimeter LED module. SMD 2525 4 legs with wider welding board and also Cooper bracket. Now let's look at the back. We use 1.6mm PCB board with good heat dissipation and 7.5 plug with good connection during transportation. Finally, protection glue is covered on the whole PCB board.